start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. The final liftoff of its left. Shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue the dream.
We have that flag, and that flag is significant, not only because we brought it up on this flight, but because it also flew on STS-1. This flag represents not just a symbol of our national pride and honor, but in this particular case, it represents a goal. This flag also will be flown prominently here at Shuttle.
Well, we appreciate it. And when a generation accomplishes a great thing, it's got a right to stand back and for just a moment admire and take pride in its work. From our unique vantage point right here perched above the Earth, we can see the International Space Station is a
First view through infrared cameras at the Kennedy Space Center. Commander Chris Ferguson now flying Atlantis. Piercing the pre-dawn sky as the space shuttle announces its arrival at the launch site with its signature sound of twin sonic booms having gone subsonic for the last time.
Happy Atlantis, build in sight.
The pre-flare maneuver executed. Landing gear down and launched. Main gear touchdown. Hurley now deploying the drag chute. Ferguson rotating the nose gear down to the deck. Nose gear touchdown. Having fired the imagination of a generation, a ship like no other, its place in history secured, the space shuttle pulls into port.